If your Epson XP6000 is having issues printing, stay tuned because today I'm going to show you a solution to that problem. Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer repair video, and today we got the Epson XP6000. Now if you're printing blank pages, you're not able to print a certain color, or you have faded or choppy prints, you're going to want to stay tuned because I have a solution for that problem. You don't need to buy a new printer. You don't need to spend tons of money on a technician. All you're really going to need is a product and a method I'm going to show you so that you can do it yourself at home. You can get this product quickly so you can get back to printing normally again. But before we go on into the rest of the video, if this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Now, if this video really helps you out and you really want to go above and beyond and show your appreciation to me, to the channel for this video, you can actually leave a donation. There's a super thanks button down below this video. It's a new feature on YouTube where you can leave a donation anywhere from $1, as much as you would like, over $50 and $100. And really, it's above and beyond. Any amount is greatly appreciated, and any amount that you give is above and beyond, but is greatly appreciated. Alright, so the product you're going to need is the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. This product comes with a bottle of solution, 100 milliliters. You're going to get a 20 milliliter syringe, and then you're going to get a bunch of attachments and a pair of gloves so that you don't get your hands dirty when you're doing this. Now, aside from that, you're also going to need some paper towel, and we'll get into that later on in the video. But there's going to be a link in the description below for this product. You can pause the video now, go down there, click the link, get yours now so that you have it already on the way, hopefully with Amazon Prime, and you can get it quickly. You can get started on this repair fast and get back to printing normally again as soon as possible. So I'm going to be showing you how to use this cleaning kit on this printer model in this video. Alright, so without any further ado, why don't we get right into this video and fix this printer. It's printing basically blank. There's a little bit of ink coming out, so we need to do a total Printhead ink flush manually with the Best Printers Cleaning Kit, and I'm going to show you how to do that. This works if one of your colors isn't working, or if you just have faded prints. This is going to work for you as well. So why don't we get right into this repair. So the first thing we want to do when we're working on any printer is we want to print out a print quality report. Now, maybe have different names depending on the printer model. Basically, you want to print out this nozzle check on the Epson, and it is going to show you what colors are printing well, what colors are struggling, and which ones are, of course, choppy and faded. So as you can see here, the black ink, the black nozzle is not doing well. It needs work. However, cyan, yellow, magenta, and even photo black is okay, but I'll also work on photo black because I saw there was a missing line. So that's how you're going to judge which colors really need to be cleaned, is which ones on this report are showing you the most signs of needing cleaning. So any breaks in the lines, any gaps in those lines, that's really where you want to focus your attention on when you're cleaning. What I just did was I went to print another nozzle report and I unplugged the printer. That's going to allow the print head to move freely, and you're going to leave this printer unplugged so that you can do this cleaning. You're going to pull out whatever paper is remaining inside. And so now once you've got your print head in the middle, you're going to begin removing the ink cartridges. Now a quick word on the ink cartridges is you're going to want to buy some new ink, a new set of ink, either remanufactured or OEM. So that once you replace the ink, you're replacing full ink instead of very low ink. Now what I just did was I folded up a piece of paper towel and I placed it under the print head, because that is what's going to absorb and catch all of the cleaning fluid and clogged up ink that I'm going to end up pushing here through the system. These are the two pieces within the kit that you're going to need. The L-shaped piece and then the clear, larger piece that's going to connect you to the nozzle. You're going to connect those two pieces once they're attached to the actual syringe. Make sure before you actually attach these to the syringe itself, make sure the syringe is full with cleaning fluid so that you're able to just connect those and you're ready to go. Now you're going to grab that attachment at the end that's connected to everything, and you're going to fit it over these oval shaped nozzles. Now this piece will shape itself into an oval. You just have to hold it in place while you're doing the cleaning. So that's what I highly recommend. So what I'm going for first is that black nozzle, and on this printer you have two nozzles that actually connect to the black ink cartridge. So I'm going to be cleaning both of them. And then I'm going to finally clean the photo black nozzle. Now the trick to cleaning these is wherever you have a major problem, wherever you're missing the most color, that nozzle is what you're going to clean the most. I would push 20-40 milliliters through there so that you can ensure that there's a good amount of cleaning fluid that was pushed through and that there's no gunk, there's no blockages to speak of, that everything is clear. So when you have just a handful of colors that are giving you the most issues, let's say it's 2 colors, you have one of 2 options. You can either use your full bottle, continuously pushing all of the cleaning solution that you have in the bottle, which is 100 milliliters. That's 5 full syringes at a time. 20 times 5, that's 100 milliliters. So you can either push all of that cleaning solution through at once, or you can do about half of that. You can do 50 milliliters. And then what you can do is put everything back together, print out a nozzle report, or rather do a printhead cleaning first, because that's what you need to do first. I'll show you that later on in the video. And then after that, print a nozzle report, and if it's fixed, then it's fixed. But if it's not, then you'll have to go back. Or you can push it all at once. So you have those 2 options. That's really usually how I do it. I usually will just push, 20, 30 milliliters through whichever color is giving me the most issues. But if you're having a major issue, I would really use up all the cleaning solution. Once you're done and satisfied with the cleaning, you're going to want to dry everything down 100%, and then you're going to also want to just leave everything for 24 hours before you reinstall the ink cartridges. So now once you're at the point you reinstall the ink cartridges, hopefully you are reinstalling ink that is totally full. If you install ink that is dried up or that is very low, you're just going to end up in the same place very quickly, where you're printing blank pages, certain colors not printing. So you really, really want to make sure that you buy some new ink cartridges. There's going to be a link down in the description below for some low-cost remanufactured ink for this printer model. Once you have everything put back together, it's been 24 hours, then you're going to want to power on, but it doesn't end here. Now what you need to do is do a printhead cleaning. You're going to go to maintenance, which is all the way to the far right, and then you're going to select printhead cleaning. This printhead cleaning you may have to do 3 to 4 times. It may just be 1 time that you need to do. But what the printhead cleaning does is it allows the ink in the cartridges to be pushed into the printhead. What you've just done is you've flushed all of the ink because you needed to get that gunk and blockage out. Now you're going to be pushing the ink back into the system, and it's fresh ink. So this is the net result of the cleaning that we just did. We have all of our colors back, I would say 90 to 95%. Because it wasn't 100%, we go back and do another nozzle cleaning. And now you see where we started. We did another nozzle cleaning, and the one on the top, this is the final printhead cleaning. Now we are at 100% after that second printhead cleaning. So you see the process here, you see what you have to do. Hopefully this was helpful to you and you're able to get your printer back up and running and printing normally again. Remember the link in the description below for this product. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That's really all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.